pé kẹ́yìn sọ Yorùbá náà kú.
Kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ easy bí a ló mọ̀. Wọ́n máa ń kọ́lẹ̀ fún wa.
Báwo lè ṣe wá àti tẹ wá ní kò easy?
Alọ́kọ náà ní tipátipá. Olùgbéré yìí. Anyway, it's nice to be here, and I've introduced myself before. Me, she said she's doctor. Me, I'm actor. Funsho Adeolu, Adeke, the finest boy in the whole world, whether we like it or not.
Wow.
Wow for life.
There's problem.
You know what I did? I forced that name on people. I went on a set, and I don't talk like this, but I don't know why. I'm just happy today.
I'm influencing you.
Abi, you know, I went on a set, and the director was saying, when I got there, I was driving in, and all the crew members were just saying, finance. She now said, what's wrong with them? I saw in her face that she was like that. She did not say anything. She just said, what is that? But you see, when I parked, I got down from the car, and I was greeting all the smallest crew member to the smallest. And when I got to her, I did like this. She now said, really, you are the finest. The finest is always humble. It's not by face. So it's a lesson. Anything I do in my life, I'm passing a message to people. So when I have the opportunity to talk anywhere, I always let people understand it. If you are not humble, you are ugly. True. If you are not humble, whether you have money or not, you are a poor man.
Uncle, loud it.
They can hear. If you are not humble, you are a poor man. So and I dance because I dance for two things. A lot of people smile when they see me dance. I will not dance the kind of dance where you will know my own dance. My own dance is different, so that you can smile and be happy. I make you happy, and at the same time, I'm doing another thing. I'm fighting the devil with my own dance. Because when I dance like David dance, I fight them. They are not always happy. So somebody said today, I read it. He said, now I think this man is losing it. That's me.
And they said it about David now.
Wait. They said, I think this man is losing it. That person that said that thing. I did not answer because I don't answer people on my page. He has a problem. You should go and fix it, because if you see somebody dancing and you're not smiling, then you have a very big problem. You know? So a lot of people started dancing because I dance, and I do it for exercise. Okay, don't let me use what our pastor just said now. Deacon, me, I'm like 35. So I'm still in a safe place.
First quadrant.
First quadrant. No, I'm even like, I'm not 37.
I have quadrants.
I still have like how many quadrants to go? Because that thing, I know he's 70, but my dad was almost 100 now before he died. And you know, I don't have to man and become more shape better than Babalo. He was almost 100. I'm going to be 100 plus, and I will still be dancing.
Okay.
I will still be dancing,
yes,
that's for sure. So I will start by saying that, God bless you, I met her in my birthday party. She was using her phone to just... She was behaving like all this people. I said, what you have to do with this now? I hope this one is not this level or something, you know? So I was very careful. I was composing myself. No,
the fear of this level is the beginning of what?
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. It's God that I fear into me. I don't have any skeleton in my body. Anyway, so and the next time I saw her again, she was doing the same thing. And she said, okay, I don't go to parties. I don't really go to parties. When I'm not MC, you might not really see me. Because I don't see parties as, I don't know. But thank God that they have parties, because I will be making money from parties. I won't get it done, Happy New Year.
It's okay.
Happy New Year. So I would just say that she's a very wonderful person. She's determined. Some people say determined, I be doctor.
She's determined.
But she's determined. She's a go-getter. She's always smiling. She's always happy. And I like people that are happy all the time. That's why I'm here today, not because you paid me. I came because you're my friend. You have my money. There's no big deal about money. Money is not everything. You know, you can do so many things for me. Somebody paid for a ticket for me for August something again. No. For 70th birthday. So it's not about money, it's about people like you. And so for you to be here, and I see some people coming all the way had to travel down from Dallas just to anchor, and a lot of people here, that means you're loved. So we would like to hear from some people here what they feel about you. And please, when you come, don't do this is a super story, so that we will leave here. Don't cry. Please don't cry. If you are touched, put your emotion inside. Don't cry.
Should I time it?
Yes, it's better for us to time. So
Let's time it.
I think I have names of some people that
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
So firstly, I'd like to call is the name Tosino Super Palmer Agbelomo to come and say something. Please, a round of applause for Tosino.
A round of applause for Tosino.
Tosino, I don't see nobody standing up. Tosino is not here. Okay, let me call the next one. Àyànní láti ìlú ilẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ mọ́ ni.
Ó máa lọ mú, ó máa pọ́n ẹlé, ọ̀yàyà yẹn ti pọ̀ jù. So iṣẹ́ yìí dé ọlá, ó máa fi go places. So, and I also wish you happy birthday. Wọ́n ò fẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀, ìyẹn mo ṣe sọ Yorùbá, bó ṣe wá látọkàn mi. Ọmọ ló jẹ́ sí mi, àbúrò gidi ni ẹ́. Wàá fi lálùbáríkà, wàá fi lọ síwájú, fà wàá fi lọ́mọ lọ́wọ́. Wàá ṣe gbogbo oríire tí wọ́n ń ṣe nílé ayé lórí iṣẹ́ yìí. I wish you all the best and happy birthday in advance as well. Because tomorrow is actually your birthday, am I right? Because àbúrò mi èmi mọ date, but what that I celebrate gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́. So it's multiple blessings, multiple celebrations today for you. I love you, darling. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, God bless you, man.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
So you love me too because you gave me a hug. Thank you very much. see that Sister Adeolu is still greeting a lot of people now. Because no one has seated while the performance will go on. Sister Adeolu, please, we need you to be seated now. You will still take pictures with everybody when you come to so orí yẹn ó máa ń ṣe nígbà kan kò ní yé. Where is my headband? Oh, she's here now, okay. I'm missing you, I'm missing you. It's like they call it. I want to start doing that seated before.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to give it right now. Celebrate.
Okay, thank you very much. Photo session will still come again. I have photo for me.